How to add sections on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add sections and organize your Pinterest. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Pinterest on your mobile phone or your laptop. So once you have opened up your Pinterest, what you have to do is simply go to your profile, your account, and in here you will be able to find all of the boards that you have created. So you can see right here, I have created all of these boards, and now you just have to select the board you want to organize and create sections in. So let's go with this one. And you can see right here, this is my outfit inspiration board that I created, and now I want to add different sections to it. So what you have to do is you will find this option right here in the middle. It says organize. Simply click on organize. And now you have to select different, things that you want to add to that section. So I'm creating a section for formal wear and then a casual wear. So I will simply go and select the photos, the pins that I want to select. So I'm going to select this one, then we have this one right here, and this one as well. Okay, so I have selected the pins I want to add to a section. The next thing that you have to do is you will find these options right here. The first option is move, and the second option is create section. So I'm going to click right here on create section, and now you have to give your section a name. I'm going to call it formal wear, so I'm going to go ahead and type in. Now simply click on add, and there you go. We have a new section which is formal wear. Similarly, I can go ahead and organize my other pins as well. And now my board has different sections for me, and I will be able to check it out. Your section is created. You can edit it out, open it up, and check the name. Again, create more than one sections, and it will help you organize your Pinterest. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.